If YouTube is lagging on your laptop or PC with video stutter, endless buffer, or freezing issues, then no worries. This tutorial will help you fix it. The problem usually comes down to browser issues, hardware acceleration, or slow internet. In this video, I'll walk you through the best fixes to get back your smooth playback again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Refresh and reconnect internet. First, make sure your internet is actually working. Try opening another website. If it works, disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. To do this, click your Windows search bar. Now type Settings. Open it up, then go to the Network and Internet section. From here, go to Advanced Network Settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, then disable Wi-Fi from here, then re-enable it. If you're using Ethernet, then disable it from here and then re-enable it. After this, try opening YouTube and check your issue. Solution 2. Lower video quality. Open any video on YouTube. Now on the YouTube player, click the gear icon. Select a lower resolution like 720p or 480p. This reduces buffering if your internet is unstable. Solution 3. Disable graphics acceleration. This feature can be useful in many cases, but it also causes YouTube to glitch sometimes. So it's best if you disable it. First, open Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. From the left side, click System. Now toggle off Use Graphics Acceleration when available from here. And if you're prompted to relaunch Chrome, click on it. Even if you're not prompted, relaunch Chrome anyway. Now check your issue. And that's how you can fix YouTube lagging on your laptop or PC. Try these steps one by one and you should see a big difference in performance. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips and fixes. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.